Hi, today we are making rows for the corn. We're using this attachment that we pull behind the tractor that actually makes a bit of a raised bed, while at the same time it puts down this black mulch. The raised bed and the mulch do a couple of things. They help keep the soil a little bit warmer. They also will help us control the weeds. At the same time that it's putting these down, if you look up by the bright orange triangle there, you can see the spinning thing up there. That is drip tape. So we're actually laying the drip tape underneath the plastic, which will help us conserve moisture. We'll be able to plant the corn right next to the drip tape and make sure that each plant gets watered, but not have a lot of it going up into the air. Here's a little bit of a close-up so you can see how all of the dirt is actually used to hold down this black plastic. This is really important because if the wind catches it, it will literally pull up that whole row in seconds flat, which is frustrating. At the end, we're back to the old-fashioned way of needing to use a shovel to get everything all nice and neat and tucked in. Here's the rows that we just formed. It took us about 3 minutes per row. Here are some that we have planted in with strawberries. And you can see how each of the plants has got its own little spot, and they're all by a dripper there, so they get nice and watered and can grow. It is very satisfying looking down and seeing these nice, long, neat rows across the farm.